Trading on the market and investing in the market are two very different concepts. Investing is a reasonable venture. It's an attempt to put your money into buying an asset that will grow and be something that you will own in the long term. It carries some risk. Everything you buy has an element of risk. Trading is different. If you're a trader, you're a gambler. You make frequent trades, which are bets that the value of the assets you buy will go up instead of down, with the aim of making a lot of money in a short space of time. Successful trading is extremely risky and extremely difficult, which is why the biggest trading firms employ the smartest economists, mathematicians, and statisticians in the world. The internet is full of scammers who say they've got a system to beat these people. You don't even need to know what you're doing. In fact, it's best that you don't, because then you'll know it's a scam. Also, unless you're betting eye-watering amounts of cash, the chances of you making any significant profit is minuscule. For example, if you somehow manage to have an excess £50,000 lying around to use for trading, and you do reasonably well and make 5% annually, you'd be as well putting the money in a high-interest savings account. And if you're a good trader who makes 20% annually, you just made £10,000. After tax, that's about £8,500. I'll let you decide if that was all you ever dreamed of. We live in a society where the working class are getting poorer and poorer, and the middle class is shrinking. The answer is not to go trading. There is no get-rich-quick formula being sold by influencers. If you can only be all you can be. There is an unjust economy that's designed to funnel money to the transcendent wealthy class out of the economy that you and I survive in, and they don't. So instead of blowing your money on crypto, learn how to organise, vote, and fight for systemic change. Not just for yourself, but for everyone.